Gitanjali, what were your initial blocks that this helped you solve and break through? What were your initial blocks that you had, you didn't realize that you had them?
So there were a lot of blocks, and I used to think that simple things that I used to think that even going for a movie is
Huh.
a crime.
Okay.
Going to for a to going to, and that is I'm talking about in a month. I used to think it's a crime.
Oh gosh.
And yes, and I still remember whenever I used to go, used to feel so guilty. I used to feel, why can't I invest that effort in doing something more about my work or handling more clients?
Hmm.
So everything I would do with a lot of guilt.
Okay.
So it was like an enjoyment. This is the first thing, let me tell you this. It was like an enjoyment, but full of guilt. And
Uh,
with guilt, your sacral chakra blocks, your root chakra blocks.
okay.
So from where are you going to invite it? So people, when they even start investing on themselves or, enjoying a life, they will feel guilty about it. The first thing that we have to release is the guilt towards self or enjoying the money.